Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is a market profile learning video for index Nifty, Bank Nifty, FINNIFTY. Market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base which the everyday live trading session we are doing an analysis for index, for stocks and for commodity as well. So this analysis is for tomorrow, August 12th kana analysis. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா on last day market open on the above level of last 2 days high க்கு மேல தான் market open பண்ணாங்க. That is almost 24,300 zone க்கு மேல தான் open பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So last 2 days of high, but it could not breach the level of the selling excess. So the selling excess was acting as a very good level of resistance which we have expected in previous times. Market வந்து above 24,400 there is a clear sell on rise selling excess வந்து maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க because it has a very good level of selling excess plus open is equal to high, a higher level of confidence வந்து market வந்து they have kept on earlier days. So market is respecting that level on last working day also. So even on last working day market was closed below and open on the above level. So நல்ல ஒரு கீழ close கொடுத்துட்டு மறுநாள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 நாளோட aboveல தான் market was open, and then onwards what happened, market tried to go above the level of 24,400, which we know it is a very stronger level of resistance. From 24,400 till 24,550 there is a good level of resistance in Nifty because of having the selling excess. So market வந்து it has provided justice to that level with no IB extension on that day. If you see the closing was on the previous day was almost that day market was open on higher, and then PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market is not having a IB extension, but it was almost a balanced market. If you see, it was a D shape kind of market. So having a PPOC created at the level of 24,400 exactly. So the level was accepted as a very strong level of resistance, and also on the last day market tried to go up and formed a poor high. So poor high form பண்ணிருக்காங்க, PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க at the same level which we created, which we saw it as a good level of resistance இருந்தது 24,400. So if Nifty continue to go above this level, that is 24,400 க்கு மேல வராங்கன்னா, then obviously 24,450, which was the AB poor high created on the previous working day, that could be the first minor level of resistance. And also crossing this level, this whole selling excess resistance வந்து கண்டிப்பா ஒரு acceptance வேணும், because it is having a very good level of selling excess on that day created on பாத்தீங்கன்னா 5th of August அன்னைக்கு create பண்ண ஒரு selling excess. So open is equal to high, selling excess and continuous single prints have been placed. So selling single prints place பண்ணி a market almost formed a B shape profile with closing at bottom, POC at bottom. So everything balancing at bottom, எல்லாமே வந்து நல்ல ஒரு downfall அன்னைக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So the rest of the days வந்து அந்த level was taken as a very good level of resistance as we see before. So on last working day also it was properly acted as resistance. So இன்னிக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த லெவல்ல இருந்து வராங்கன்னா definitely till 24,550 வரையுமே வந்து it was having a very good level of resistance. On about to that level, so Nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே on top பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய resistance வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So above this level also if you see 24,600, which was having a very good level of single print zone வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Previous times it was a buying single print, but again 24,600 could be the level of resistance. On crossing this level, definitely ஒரு price acceptance is required for Nifty. So 24,600 and 24,700 and 24,800 POC rejection. So everywhere Nifty is having a resistance. So if at all Nifty is coming on downside, so Nifty வந்து கீழ வராங்க அப்படின்னா 24,400 க்கு கீழ வராங்கன்னா obviously 24,300, which was the volume factor நம்மளுக்கு create பண்ண இடம், and it was the previous times PPOC also created at the level of 24,300, and we know the importance of 24,300 because it was ஒரு வாட்டி பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,300 also acted as a very good level of resistance, and then onwards only 24,400, that is the second level. But 24,300 having a good level of resistance previous times, now it is treated as a good level of support. So this is going to be a good level of support. Again, market also have a stop over there between 24,300 levels. So this is going to be the first level and the second level for Nifty, which we have discussed many times, that is 24,200, which is going to be the first and the important level of support system for Nifty. Because if you see Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே 24,200 was taken as a very good level of PPOC, and Nifty maintained that level as a support for so many times, and then onwards market even after கீழ வந்து Nifty வந்தாலுமே was trying to recent times having a support system in 24,200. So this is going to be the second level of zone. If at all இந்த levelum break பண்றாங்க Nifty-na, then 2400 we know it is an important zone of support and resistance which was acted previously. So 2400 which was many times in the level வந்து நிறைய ஒரு support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Market வந்து was forming a very good support system above 24,000 in previous times of June. அந்த monthலியும் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த support system work ஆயிருக்கு, and also even on the falling on the dateலியும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was 2400 was worked very well as a good level of support. And on the last previous times market on 8th of August also it was closed exactly on 2400, and next day market open above the level because it was a very good support zone. So this is going to be the next level of support 2400, and obviously below this level there is a good level of support between 23,900 to 24,000. Anywhere they can take a support, and Nifty is a very good support system they can find here is 23,900 to 24,000. So everywhere Nifty is having a one after other நிறைய support system வந்து find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And the best important support for Nifty which we also discussed in the beginning of the monthly வந்து நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம் 23,800, which is an untested single print zone. The single print has been formed on the date of 26th June, and after that market didn't come to that level. So it is going to be it was the untested zone of 23,800 zone. So if at all Nifty break all the support zone and come down, then this could be the better support zone to see whether Nifty could able to take any kind of buying support from this level, because 23,800 to 770 is obviously a good level of initiative who have come at this level and taken the market to the next level because of the responsive action. And this is going to be one of the important level of support system for Nifty. So these are the upside and downside support for Nifty as well. So let's see the Bank Nifty chart. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. This is purely for education purpose. So going back to Bank Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே it was very clear, like Bank Nifty have a selling excess. So it is almost having 2 days of selling excess. Bank Nifty could not breach that level. Because of this selling excess happened on the very first day, Bank Nifty was almost trying to even பாத்தீங்கன்னா Nifty மாதிரியே last 2 days ஓட hike மேல market open ஆனாலும் it was having a kind of B-shaped profile, whereas in Nifty it was D-shaped profile. So it was trying to go upside, but on selling excess, every index facing a selling, facing this, how the market profile will tell you. So market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே the selling excess will play the role of major thing, because sellers are always sitting in the zone, right? So it tells you very clearly like sellers are there in the zone. So அது ஒரு alert system நம்மளுக்கு வந்து தெரியும். So market profile on Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, it tells you very clearly that this is a zone for selling அப்படின்றது. So market when try to enter the zone, it don't have the buying pressure. So what happens, the sellers take a part. So they are very dominant. So they are actually dominant, and that is why market was almost consolidating. But even though the sellers and buyers are have been in indecision market or create ஆகுது, because buying pressure உங்களுக்கு பெருசா இல்ல, அங்க selling pressure பெருசா இல்ல. That is why if you have the selling pressure, then obviously they will push the market down. But they don't have the selling pressure much. They have the selling excess. Their sellers are sitting there, but they don't have the selling pressure much. Equally, what happened, buyers and sellers are equally playing the role. That is why the market is almost having indecision and forming a D or B shaped profile, because sellers sitting there are restricting the price and buyers sitting there are pushing the price upside. So that is why they are creating a balanced market inside a small IB. This is the reason that even no IB extension happened in Bank Nifty, because the sellers and buyers are equally responsible for pushing the price up and down. So finally என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, அன்னைக்கு மார்க்கெட் வந்து PPOC create பண்ணிட்டு that is at the level of 5600. If at all Bank Nifty starts from this level 5600 onwards, then this is going to be the selling zone, right? So first level of 5800 could be the first level of resistance because it was the poor high, sorry, it was the excess created on last working day as well as the excess created on previous day of 6th August. So ரெண்டு நாளோட excess உங்களுக்கு அந்த இடத்துல play ஆகுது, plus you have the excess on before day 5th of August அந்த இடத்துல என்ன உங்களுக்கு excess இருக்கு. So market is having a very good level of resistance till 5800. So on crossing this level, definitely 51,000 going to be a psychological number, and also the excess of 5th of August plays a major role. So every time Bank Nifty on the top resistance is having due to selling excess because sellers are there in the zone. So if Bank Nifty comes down, so 51,000 pathina is going to be a very good level of resistance. And above that also we do have many resistance, but these are the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So if at all Bank Nifty வந்து 50,600 zone க்கு கீழ வராங்கனா, then this PPOC could be the first level of support system find பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு, provided if they break the minor level of 5500, because on last working day what happened, they have almost found a stop here because buyers இந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு work ஆயிருக்காங்க, sellers இந்த topல work ஆயிருக்காங்க. That is why it has created a balanced market, right? So this could be the stop 5500, which is a high of last 2 days. So இத வந்து நம்ம live marketலயும் நம்ம வந்து continuously track பண்ணிருந்தோம். So 5500 வந்து first level of support zone when B profile பாத்தீங்கன்னா was coming down. So 5500 was expected minor level of support system for Bank Nifty that was watching continuously on Friday. So நம்ம வந்து last working day live பாத்திருந்தோம். Exactly market respected that level and last 2 days high was completely protected. Before that 5500 was resistance and later on it was support. So this is going to be the first level of minor support, and if this level breaks, then this is going to be the best level of PPOC பொறுத்தவரையுமே 5200 to 280. So 200 to 300 anywhere they can take a support because both volume as well as POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு last 4 days market create பண்ண level almost 5200 to 5300. The POC for last 4 days created in Bank Nifty. See, market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே everything is definitely for a reason. So every hints they will give you a lot. It's more of like every dots they will give you. So we have to join the dot one after other to form an entire analysis to get a holistic idea, like every POC forming on the same range. So நாலு நாளா ஒரே இடத்துல அவங்க range bound of POC form பண்றாங்க. POC means the maximum time they are spending for a day, right? So the last 4 days they are trying to spend a maximum time in the between of 5200 to 300. So that is going to be the best level of support. If this level breaks, then 49,000 to 50,000 anywhere they can take a support. This is going to be the last 2 days of support zone where Bank Nifty properly took support and got reversed. So this is going to be the next level of support system. If not, then the immediate support of the last 2 days in Bank Nifty 5th and 6th of August பாத்தீங்கன்னா 49,800. So from this onwards only market வந்து slow and steady they are moving the support zone higher, which tells very clearly the support they got here was acting very good for the rest of the days. So in the level வந்து it is going to be the next important zone of reference 49,800. And the most important Bank Nifty oda long time supports, that is a waiting level pathina 49,600, and this is going to be the one of the important zone because it was created by the responsive actions. So responsive actions nala create panna or zone which is most important. Unless these levels are broken, so in the level ellame onnu support system find panna mudiyum for Bank Nifty. If at all Bank Nifty in the level ku varumbodhu they could get any kind of buying support. So these are the upside and downside for Bank Nifty as well. Moving on to FINNIFTY. So FINNIFTY பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's been very clear, like market வந்து IB extension எந்த IB சைடுமே நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்கல, and market 2 days ஓட ஹைல தான் ஓபன் ஆயிருக்காங்க. மார்க்கெட் ஓபன் ஆனாலுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 days of closing க்கு மேல தான் ஓபன் ஆயிருக்காங்க. and market open ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் they try to go above, but like bank nifty we do have the FINNIFTY ஓட selling excess. So sellers are always there in the excess, right? So selling excess அவங்களுக்கு maintain பண்றாங்க. They are not allowing on previous day selling excess itself, and even the buyers are not allowing further, and buyers on the level ல வந்தாலும் they give consistent support. And sellers on what they will do, they will completely resisting the market when they enter into a selling zone. So ultimately என்ன form ஆகுதுன்னா it's a balanced market form பண்றாங்க. In all the three index, whatever we see, it's a D shape or B shape, or probably இதுவும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's a kind of D shape. So everywhere the sellers and buyers are equally playing. That is why market is forming a PPOC, because it has created a balanced market. So no IB extension. So sellers sitting in the zone of 23,000 to 23,150, and above that also 23,160 to 23,200, because it was a selling excess not for a single day and for 2 days like bank nifty. So till 23,000 lende, so from 23 onwards till 23,200 வரையுமே FINNIFTYக்கு வந்து 200 பாயிண்ட்டுமே உங்களுக்கு selling resistance create பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு பாயிண்டா தான் create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And on the last working day also we see this was the situation, that is it was kind of selling excess was very stronger, and buying also they also find the buying support. So 23,000 ல market if at all continue பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, then the first level, that is they should cross 23,150 and 200. Till then everywhere marketல வந்து sellers are sitting in that level. So on crossing this level definitely ஒரு acceptance is required. So if at all market was crossing about 23,200, then the immediate resistance would be 23,300 and 23,500. that is the POC rejection could be the resistance for FINNIFTY. Above side la pathina it was very clear, to clear the excess they should, so to go upside they should clear the excess. So and on downside if you see 23,000 linde if they come below, then 22,900 could be the first level of support, and then 22,900 onwards this is going to be the second level. So 22,900 is going to be the next level for support system, 850 to 900. And on downside pathina it's been very clear, they have every set of support system in 22,800 and 22,700, because it was every time they form a excess and they are moving. So this is going to be the important level of support system in FINNIFTY as well. And below that level there were 3 TPOs of polo has been created in 22,600, which is going to be the important zone of support. And this is going to be the very important zone to check whether FINNIFTY could get any kind of buying support, if at all they break every kind of supports. So these are the upside and downside for FINNIFTY as well. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading, and if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that it can also go to the next person who need this kind of market profile analysis. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.